Today we stand on the brink of another transformative phase, Software 3.0. This new paradigm leverages advanced AI models, natural language processing, NLP, and other AI techniques to create software that is more intuitive, accessible, and efficient. Welcome to another episode of Elite Ledger Media. I'm your host, Mark Johnson, and joining me today is our insightful co-host, Ivo Kosin. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Software 3.0, a new paradigm in software development, leveraging advanced AI models, natural language processing, and other AI techniques. Interesting, isn't it, Ivo?
Definitely, Mark. It's an exciting time indeed, as software evolves from being hand-coded to being driven by machine learning, and now to this Software 3.0. What's unique about this stage is that it represents a significant shift from traditional programming and neural networks. Instead of coding or training neural networks, developers use natural language prompts to generate specialized behaviors from software systems. It's quite a revolution.
Wow, Ivo, that sounds like a game changer. By the way, can you break this down for us? Let's start with the key components of Software 3.0.
Absolutely, Mark. We're dealing with two key components here. First are the natural language indices and functions, or NLF, where developers create high-level abstractions to handle inputs and outputs of arbitrary lengths. These abstractions are tweaked into 4,096 token instructions for the system. Then there's prompt engineering. This involves writing precise natural language prompts to question the AI model and get the correct output. It's much simpler than gathering data to train a neural network or manually writing the program.
Interesting. But what makes Software 3.0 a winning choice? What's the big draw?
There are many, Mark. But I'll list a few key ones. First off, Software 3.0 is more human-like. The inputs and outputs are in natural language, not arrays of numbers. So it sort of speaks our language. It's also framework agnostic, meaning you can implement it across various platforms without being tied to a specific technology stack. And perhaps the grandest of all, it lowers the barriers to entry for software development. Even those with less experience can now build complex applications.
Phenomenal. But like every new technology, Software 3.0 must come with its fair share of challenges, right?
You're right, Mark. No solution is perfect, and Software 3.0 is no exception. Some of the challenges include ensuring fault tolerance and reliability. These are crucial since the software relies on natural language prompts. We also have the challenge of limitations to domain expertise, and the fact that the effectiveness of Software 3.0 largely depends on the quality of the prompts. And lastly, generating complex behaviors from AI models can be resource-intensive, leading to potential latency and higher operational costs.
This has been an enlightening discussion, Ivo. Just to wrap things up, can you tell us a bit about the real-world applications of Software 3.0 and what the future holds for it?
Of course, Mark. Real-world applications are cropping up in areas like enterprise AI systems and business solutions. For example, businesses can use Software 3.0 to create AI customer support or sales agents. In addition, it makes software development more intuitive and efficient. Developers can adapt apps to individual users and even introduce intelligent chatbots for better navigation and automation. In about the future, the expansion of libraries and services will make Software 3.0 more user-friendly. As more developers adopt it, we might see a boom in AI applications across various industries.